Getting to eat a teppanyaki-style meal is usually a special occasion. It's something where you have to go to a very specialized restaurant, and they have to have a special grill set up. A chef with special training has to make food for you. They make it to order, it's very delicious, but usually it's as much about the show as it is the food, and it also tends to be very, very expensive. And so even if you like it a great deal, for most people, it's not something they get to experience with any regularity. It's special occasion food. The cool thing about a Little Griddle is that it can make any time a special occasion. With a tool like a piece of Little Griddle cookware, you can cook a beautiful teppanyaki-style meal in your backyard anytime you feel like it, and you're going to get the full experience. But in some ways it's going to be better because the cost is a lot lower, and the food comes out to perfection exactly how you want it. You can make an absolutely beautiful steak. You can make sautéed vegetables on the griddle that are as good as anything that you're going to get at a teppanyaki grill. And you can do them for a lot less cost. Sometimes people might ask, why would you want to make a steak on the griddle when you have a grill right underneath the griddle that is perfectly capable of making a great steak? The answer to that is that until you've tried it, it's difficult to understand what the griddle is capable of doing to that meat that makes it so delicious. By cooking on the griddle, you can put a sear on that meat that puts a delicious crust on the outside and also locks in all the juice. And so the meat stays moist and extremely tender. If you make a steak on the Little Griddle, you turn up the heat and you get the griddle nice and preheated, and you put the steak down on the griddle surface, and you get that crust going. Look at the sear we put on that steak. That is something that you would have to go out and pay $50 for at a high-end steakhouse. You can make this in your backyard anytime you feel like it. That's pretty special.